we'll talk about TikTok monetization. So TikTok actually pay. You must get to 10,000 followers and 100,000 post view. That's when TikTok can start paying you. Okay. So once you get to this and you're up to 18 years, TikTok will definitely start paying you. But they don't pay Nigerians. So all the people you see creating that has TikTok account that is monetized, there are ways they do it. So it's either they are not in Nigeria or they have somebody at UK that created the account for them, or US, or they bypassed. You get it now. So that bypassing, a lot of people do that. So, but if you are in Nigeria, if you're in Nigeria, TikTok doesn't pay. If you create Nigeria TikTok accounts, TikTok doesn't pay you. Sorry, TikTok doesn't pay you. It won't pay you because Nigeria has not been part of the country that is what eligible for monetization. But there are other ways of making money on TikTok aside TikTok paying you directly. Number one, once you are up to 1,000 followers, when you have up to 1,000 followers, you can go live and your followers can gift you. Your followers can gift you. That's number one. Aside TikTok paying you, your followers, if you are stable with you going live, your followers can be gifting you. Now, that is number one. Number two is you selling products or rendering services. So I've seen so many ladies that sells bag, shoe, and the rest. They don't have a shop. All they just do is they sit down in their house, in their room, go live, and they build their account to 1,000 followers, up to more than that. So they go live in their house and they begin to display their products to their followers. And sometimes, even though you are not following, that's one beautiful thing about TikTok. Even though you are not following that person, anyone who is strolling can stumble, anyone who is not even your follower can stumble upon your live section and the person will get to see what you are doing. So many of those entrepreneurs, many ladies that have TikTok account has been able to make so much money through this means. So if you are the type that you can't go through the process I just explained, the first one of monetization, then create the account, get to 1,000, go live, your followers might gift you, or you can be selling products to people online. Another one, it is you as a musician, you can create a musician account whereby your songs, if you create music, you upload music. The more people use your song, what happens is that you are getting paid. Yes, it happens like that also. The more people use your song, you get to be paid. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and please, I need you to help me share this video. Please, you are the only one that can do this. Share this video if you gain value from this video, and follow me if you are yet to follow me. I want to build this account. I want to build this channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you.